Ever clean your home only to feel like pet hair and dust come back even faster the next day? Like the effort never really lasts. That frustration is exactly what we're solving today in this breakdown of the top 5 best vacuum for pet hair and dust combined. Welcome back to the channel, and stay till the end because the final pick completely changes how effortless cleaning can feel. Check the links in the description if you find your favorite. Now let's move at number 5. We have the NuYupo 2 batteries. Cleaning often starts with motivation, but ends with exhaustion when pet hair and dust keep returning in layers you thought were already gone. And that is exactly where the NuYupo 2 batteries enters this top 5 best vacuum for pet hair and dust combined lineup, powered by a 550-watt brushless motor delivering up to 45 kPa suction that pulls embedded fur, fine dust, and hidden debris from carpets, hardwood, and tile with consistent strength, while its dual removable batteries extend runtime up to 110 minutes in eco mode, making large home cleaning far less stressful. And with versatile attachments, it quickly transforms into a handheld cleaner for sofas, beds, vents, and tight corners, while the V-shaped anti-tangle brush reduces hair blockage and the LED display adds control, although boost mode does reduce runtime, significantly making it better suited for extended balanced cleaning rather than constant maximum power use. Ideal for pet owners and families who need long-lasting flexibility over short bursts of intensity. Coming up next at number 4 is the SMOTURE 650-watt. There are moments when a floor looks clean at first glance, but tells a completely different story once light hits it from the right angle, revealing everything missed in previous cleaning. And that hidden reality is what brings the SMOTURE 650-watt into this top 5 best vacuum for pet hair and dust combined list. Equipped with a powerful 650-watt brushless motor generating up to 55 kPa suction that consistently lifts stubborn fur, fine dust, and embedded debris from carpets and hard floors, while offering up to 70 minutes runtime in low mode so full home cleaning feels less interrupted. And with a wall dock system for charging and storage, it stays ready, while attachments like flexible hose, bed brush, crevice tool, and dust brush expand its reach into sofas, corners, and high areas, while auto mode intelligently adjusts suction depending on surface type, although maximum power reduces runtime as expected, making it ideal for users who want strong adaptability and steady whole home performance in one system. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Bissell HEPA. The dust you do not notice is often the one that keeps returning again and again, especially when pet hair settles deep into carpets and furniture fibers, and that is why the Bissell HEPA model earns its place in this top 5 best vacuum for pet hair and dust combined lineup by focusing not only on suction power, but also on air quality through its sealed HEPA allergen system that traps fine dust inside instead of releasing it back into the room, creating a noticeably fresher environment after cleaning, while its lift-off detachable pod allows easier access to stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces, and the tangle-free brush roll prevents hair wrapping issues that slow down cleaning sessions, while scatter-free technology improves control on hard floors, and its 1-liter dirt tank supports longer cleaning sessions, though its larger design feels less compact compared. 2. Modern stick vacuums, making it better suited for users who prioritize deep cleaning and cleaner air over lightweight portability. Coming in at number 2 is Shark HV322A. Home can feel clean on the surface, yet still carry hidden layers of pet hair and dust that quietly change how fresh the space actually feels. And that lingering frustration is exactly where the Shark HV322 stands out in this top 5 best vacuum for pet hair and dust combined lineup by delivering consistent suction across carpets, hard floors, and furniture, while its ultra-lightweight frame converts into a handheld vacuum for stairs, upholstery, and ceiling corners without the burden of a heavy machine. And LED headlights reveal hidden debris in dark spaces while specialized. Pet tools capture embedded fur more effectively than standard attachments. And the large dust cup allows longer cleaning sessions before emptying. Although the corded design limits movement compared to cordless models, making it more suited for users who want steady power and reliable performance rather than complete mobility. Taking the top spot is EzyTidy 650-watt sum vacuums remove visible dirt, while others expose everything you never realized was still hiding in your home, and the EzyTidy 650-watt does exactly that as the top pick in this top 5 best vacuum for pet hair and dust combined list, with its powerful 650-watt motor producing up to 55 kPa suction that lifts deep embedded pet hair fine dust and stubborn debris from carpets and hard floors, while its green wide-angle light reveals hidden dirt along edges and under furniture that is usually missed during routine cleaning. And with up to 70 minutes eco runtime, it supports full home cleaning sessions, while the anti-tangle brush prevents hair buildup, and the self-standing design plus wall-mounted charging add real convenience, while the LED touchscreen makes control effortless although high power. Mode naturally reduces battery life, making it a balanced but powerful cordless system designed for modern households needing efficiency and visibility in one. After comparing all 5 models across suction power, runtime, convenience, and real-world usability, the clear winner of this top 5 best vacuum for pet hair and dust combined is the EzyTidy 650-watt, because it delivers the strongest balance of raw power, smart features, and cordless freedom, making it effective against deep pet hair, hidden dust, and everyday mess, while its long runtime, green light visibility, and intelligent design create a smoother and more effortless cleaning experience. Compared to options like Shark HV322 or Bissell HEPA, which either lack cordless freedom or smart detection features, and overall, it stands out as the most complete and future-ready cleaning solution in this lineup. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. And if this helped you make a decision, like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.